Hello everyone, my name is William. I am going to present you the solution I designed for CS50 in Python. So the solution that you are seeing is an audio guide which basically allows user to obtain an MP3 file from the main description of any Wikipedia pages as long as the page exists. And how to use it? It's quite simple. You have to select the Wikipedia web pages you would like to parse, and you have to copy paste the title in the requests you see on the screen. You can choose between two languages, either French or English, and then you have to use the title of the page. The software is able to manage errors, so if you input a wrong language, the Python controller will tell you that it doesn't work. Or if you input a Wikipedia pages which doesn't exist, you will also have an error on the screen. But let's try with something which works, for example Paris, and you will see that the text-to-speech flow is quite good. I will let you listen.
Paris-pas.i, est la capitale de la France. Divisée en 20 arrondissements, elle est le chef-lieu de la région Île-de-France et le siège de la métropole du Grand Paris. Elle est établie au centre du bassin parisien, sur une boucle de la Seine, entre les confluents avec la Marne et l'Oise.
So yeah, this was basically it. You can find any more information on my GitHub or directly on my YouTube channel. See you guys.